Explain two target architecture ARMv7 and ARMv64 in the context of building Android. When building for Android in Unity, you will often see two target architecture ARMv7 and ARMv64. These refer to the different CPU architecture that determines which device your game can run on. ARMv7 is 32-bit architecture, most usually in older or lower-end devices, released before 2015. It's limited to the 4 GB of RAM and generally slower. ARM64, on the other hand, is a 64-bit architecture. It supports larger memory, better performance, and enhanced security. This is standard for modern Android devices. When a player downloads your game, Google Play automatically serves the correct version. ARMv7 for older devices, ARM64 for modern ones. And here's an important note. Since August 2019, Google Play requires all apps to include 64-bit version. So, when building for Android, always check both ARM7 and ARM64 if you want to game to support wide range of devices.